How to change background in Microsoft Teams meeting. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you how you can change your background during a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So let's dive right in. First things first, open up the meeting that you have joined, and then you can see the camera icon in the toolbar in the top right. You can see the drop down, just tap on it. And here you'll see more video options. So you can see backgrounds like blur and then other themes like Starfield. You can just tap on it and then you can see the preview of the background. Now you can go to more video effects and settings, and then here more backgrounds will open up, so you can choose from the various backgrounds. Just tap on it and then you can just hit preview if you want to, and then uh, you can see the preview. So this is what it looks like. So there you go, you can choose from various backgrounds provided for Microsoft Teams. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.